Hello everyone, this is Orly from Komatco Machinery Limited. Today we at YTO Tractor Factory, which products a series of products construction machinery and agricultural machinery such as tractor, and today we focus on tractors. The tractor is named after the horsepower. The horsepower ranging from mini 24 horsepower, 50 horsepower, 70 horsepower, and 300 horsepower. Today we mainly about the 95 horsepower. This 950 horsepower tractor model is NLX954. 95 stands for 950 horsepower. The 4 stands for 4-wheel drive. And you can see this tractor is behind me. And now I will give you a brief introduction. Look here, you can add counterweight to effectively prevent the front of the tractor from tilting up. Let's look at the tires. Our tires is an ordinary thread tires. It is suited for dry land and long distance transportation. Now I am in the tractor's cab. The cab gives us a comfortable working condition and our seat is adjusted. And our gear is 24 forward gears and 8 reverse gears. Our tractor adapts Dongfanghong engine, and the whole weight of the tractor is 5,200 kilograms. We also can choose different implements, such as scissors, single disc plows, to suitable for different working conditions. In the end, we have different horsepower tractors. If you are interested in these tractors, please feel free to contact me. I will give you the best price.